Guys, ganito lang pala magluto ng chicken curry, napakadali lang. Ingredients: 1/4 cup canola oil, 2 medium potatoes, peeled and quartered, 2 large carrots, peeled and cubed, kalahati green bell pepper, cored, seeded and cut into cubes, kalahati red bell pepper, cored, seeded and cut into cubes, isang onion, peeled and cubed, 3 cloves garlic, peeled and minced, isang thumb-sized ginger, peeled and julienned, 3 pounds, bone-in chicken, cut into serving pieces, isang tablespoon fish sauce, isang cup coconut milk, isang cup water, 2 tablespoons curry powder, salt and pepper to taste,